Welcome to 9 Island Avenue, Unit 604. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,440 square foot unit. It's listed at $1.395 million. It's fully renovated. You can see the views are magnificent. Direct water from every single window. You have a great balcony over 20 feet long. There's access from the kitchen, the living room, and the guest bedroom to this balcony. This is a view of the pool and the view. You can see, go into the kitchen here. It's an eat-in kitchen. It also has ceiling to floor windows with the same view. We have that open. They have opened the kitchen. So this is as much as the kitchen can be opened in these units. The 3, 4, 5, and 6 line, there are some pipes in that wall. So they've done a great job opening this kitchen. You can see all stainless appliances, tons of storage. Walk into the master here. Completely, again, remodeled. You have great ceiling to floor windows. That view, everywhere you look. This is a king-size bed, so you can see plenty of room in here. Again, you get the idea. You got ceiling fans in both the primary bedroom and the guest room. This is a little dressing area, which has been turned into an office. You have a really fabulous full-size master bathroom, dual sinks, big soaking tub, glass shower, plenty of room in here, double vanities. You walk into a really generous master closet, built-in shelving, drawers, space for shoes. They move the washer dryer into this closet from the kitchen, so it's a much better use of space. And walking back into here, you have the living dining area, which you saw before. The dining room is separate. You can see there's a mirror on that wall to give you the city view from that direction. It's a split floor plan, so you have a lot of privacy for the second bedroom here. They've done some great jobs with mirrors. So this second bathroom, it's got a shower. Again, all redone. And then you walk into the guest room. It has its own glass door to the balcony. So, same view from here. It's awesome. This again is a king-size bed. There's still plenty of room in here. There's 2 nice sized closets. The walk-in closet to the left. Some built-in shelving, some hanging space. Goes all the way to the ceiling, and then you have more of a closet here for some extra storage. This unit comes with 1 covered parking space. Again, it's fully renovated. It's on the 6th floor. It's ready to go. I'd love to show it to you, so just give me a call if you're interested, and I'll be happy to give you a tour.